Hey folks, so here I am at the Alegance lounge. I gotta get some water and coffee and breakfast, but my mouth is so dry I can't even friggin' talk well. I can, but it tends to cause a little issue with my mouth being so dry that ever since I had COVID, I have a really bad dry mouth compared to before. Before, I never had an issue. This year, I do have a really bad issue with, well, this last couple of years, it's gotten worse with dry mouth. And so when I talk, it sounds like a couple of the words here and there, especially with the S's, tends to sound like I'm slurring. I'm not technically slurring, it's just, technically I am slurring, but it's just because of the dry throat and the mouth. Because when I'm talking with fresh water that I just drank, it lubricates the throat, of course, and then, yeah, I feel better physically, but only for that little bit. But man, am I drier than a freaking cotton ball. So yeah, as you saw, I'm here at the, but I wanted to kind of say that because people I don't even want to talk about, honestly. I'm kind of just randomly talking about things. I'm here at the Alegance Lounge, like I showed you, sitting here, just kind of waiting to go into the lounge just to have breakfast, have some water and coffee. I don't think it helps that I'm having coffee because I'm kind of doing the opposite of water, but anyway. I'm going to have that, and then I'm going to go to my room for a little bit. Some couple they want me to go into town potentially because they're going to get cigars, but I don't really want to go into town at this point. I'm not going to avoid them, but I'm going to spend more time in my room, and hopefully what they'll do is they'll just go down, get me my cigars, and then come back. They're going to give that guy that's coming in from Havana to get him to come down and, meet us, but I don't really want to go into town, so, and really I don't want to spend any more than what I need to at this point, because I'm here for another little over 3 weeks at this point in time, so I'm here for a month. Right now I'm almost a week in. Tomorrow night will be a week since I traveled to come here. Wednesday will be a full week once the evening comes, because I arrived at the evening. Yeah, my mouth is really dry. Jeez. Anyway, so that's that. So right now, technically, I'm on day 5. Tonight will be total of day 6. And then tomorrow evening will be day 7 total. Again, with travel time. So anyway, I will keep it at that. And I'm going to go into the lounge. Let me show you. Oh my God, it's already 3 minutes. That's crazy. But yeah, my mouth is really dry, so it sounds like I'm slurring. The S's are the worst. So Elegance touch. So that last video I did was actually showing you, before I end, that last video on the beach was showing you that the area around the beach was the beach. Like, a lot of people post the beach, but they don't show any landmarkers, which it could be any beach. It could be. Even those rocks are landmarks because they're rocky. Most of my videos show you that I'm on the rocky side of the beach, which is the left side of the beach. But this time I decided to show you guys in the last video about that. So it is proof in one take that I am on the Valentine Beach, not some random beach that somebody's trying to post in. There I am. So, right? All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you in the next video.